Welcome back to day 2 of my garage makeover. I have a lot of work ahead of me, so cheers to a productive, beautiful day. If you're new to my channel, I like to work around a space clockwise, and that's no different with a project like this. It keeps me focused and I'm less distracted from moving all around. A lot of the stuff I'm going through is stuff of my husband's, so I'm a little unsure of what is keep or garbage or even what to do with. So I'm using my best judgment, and at the end I do have a pretty substantial of what I think is garbage pile, and he ended up getting rid of pretty much 90% of what I thought would be garbage. So extremely satisfying, but a little challenging as I was going through everything. I would have liked to have just definitive yes or no's. Nonetheless, I was able to purge a lot of things and has really helped kind of declutter my mental state. And similar to my 7-day declutter challenge inside my home, I just feel lighter and I'm able to manage my space much better. So if you haven't already seen my 7-day declutter challenge, I highly recommend watching that next. I'll leave the playlist below. Don't mind my multiple outfit changes throughout these videos. I was constantly changing my outfits because the weather was really hard to dress for. I was either freezing cold or sweating. It was really windy and then it was overcast. So if the sun was out, I was sweating, and if the sun was behind the clouds, the wind picked up and I was freezing. Just one of those days. Now that I have a good grasp on what is staying and what is leaving our home, I am ready to put everything back into the garage at this point. I'm just going to find new homes for all these things and do my best to keep it somewhat organized with the space that we have. This pile here is everything that is a for sure yes leaving our house, whether it's donate or garbage. Here's a little reminder of the space and what I started with. Super embarrassing, but I hope that someone can resonate with this and how life and our spaces can sometimes get out of control. And the after. I am a firm believer that our mental health is directly related to our spaces, and I feel that if my spaces are messy and cluttered and full of garbage, I just feel overwhelmed and a little bit of chaos in my life. Here's a quick little walkthrough of everything I did. A lot of that stuff on the far wall I didn't touch at all because it is parts and stuff for my husband's trucking business, and I didn't want to lose anything or disrupt projects that he has going there. But overall, a huge makeover, and I am so thrilled to be done with this project. This is everything left for my husband to decide what he wants to do with, and the pile in the way back is everything leaving our home. I hope you found some value in today's video, and I will see you in the next one.